Hello, in this video, we intend to withdraw the amount that we deposited into the ICMarkets broker using Skrill through the same method. We log into the client area and select the withdrawal option. For the withdrawal, we choose the standard withdrawal option, which is currently available.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
The other options are currently unavailable, so we select this one. In the withdrawal section, as you can see, Skrill is the method we previously used to make the deposit. Here you can select the trading account you want to withdraw from. If you have another trading account, you can choose it in this section as well. We enter the Skrill account that we previously used to fund the account, specify the withdrawal amount, and select the Submit option. We select the Submit option to proceed with the withdrawal process. We select the Yes, Continue option. We have successfully submitted the withdrawal request, and an email containing the transaction confirmation will be sent, so we need to check our email. We have checked the email. We are withdrawing an amount of $20 from this account, and we have also received a withdrawal confirmation email from the broker. You need to be patient until the amount is deducted from your account at ICMarkets and deposited into your Skrill account. We return to the account and the amount has been deducted from our balance. Additionally, if you head over to the account section and select Transaction History, you can easily verify that you are withdrawing $20 and see that the status is currently marked as pending. Once it is completed, the status will change to completed, and you will also receive this in your Skrill account. In future videos, we will be with you to discuss other deposit and withdrawal methods in the ICMarkets broker. Wish you success.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.